Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I apologize for the wind noise. It's a very wet, rainy day, as you can probably see behind me. I'm at the park, I'm in a covered area. Let's go over my EDC. Okay, so I actually have 3 EDCs. Work, Casual, and Woods. Now this is my work. And so I have Leatherman Blast multi-tool, which I've talked about before. It's a great multi-tool. Riding in a Wolf Customs Kydex sheath with a leather back. Very nice. I have the Hidden Woodsman belt pouch, which you can still get these. Inside this I have my car keys. I have a pill bottle because I have prescription medications, so I keep them in here so I don't forget to take them. And I have a Swiss Army knife, Tinker model. And that's it. And it just is 2 webs on the back for hooking up my belt. I've had it for a number of years now. Blue inside, just a great piece of kit. I have my phone, the Samsung 7, which has been pretty good. I dropped my last one, and no, I didn't drop it. The power button stopped working. I have a flashlight. It's just a single AA battery. It's my preferred cell. Not that others are bad. It's just I like AA. Simple on-off. It's a great little light. Comes in very handy. I have my wallet, which is a Fossil brand. I have been wearing watches lately. This is a Casio. I'm also wearing one. So I rotate between the two. I have this metal clip here, and this hooks onto my belt loop, because I've had belt loops break on me before, and I keep a carabiner on here for keys, because I carry, for example, today I had 59 keys on me. So, you know, I don't trust belt loops with 59 keys. Then I have this little mag light, this flashlight holder that I picked up at a uniform store. It's what I clip my radio onto, which I think it's for me it's better for the belt than the belt. Now for Casual, I'll bring a knife, Spyderco Tenacious, or lately I've been bringing the Benchmade Griptilian. I actually found this at work, so I kept it. Otherwise, I know it normally gets serrations. Not that they're bad, it's just, you know, it's not really my thing. But I've been enjoying the knife. And for Woods, the only difference I carry is Spyderco Endura 4. This is my food prep knife. Excuse me. Keep the blade very clean. Just so if I'm gonna have food, it goes from whatever I'm cutting to my mouth. This is a knife I'll use. So, and that's really the only difference. Now I do have, actually I forgot something. A new addition to my EDC is this leather coin purse, which I found on Amazon, which I'll link below if you're interested in checking it out. I just use this for my coins. So for coins, I like this. I don't have to dig around in my pocket. All I have to do is reach in, grab it, and pull it out. I used to carry this little guy, but as you can see, if you can see that, it's been cracking. The plastic here cracked. But I did a video on this. I've actually carried this a long time. So I ended up upgrading and getting this leather one instead, which I like a lot better. I think it was like 12 bucks plus shipping on Amazon. I got this idea from the Urban Prepper. Nice soft leather, nice big grab handle, so when it gets cold, if you're wearing gloves, you can just get to your coins. It's nice when you're sitting in a drive-through, and you know you think, oh, it's like whatever dollars and 12 cents. Like, well, I got 12 cents. Rather than getting back a handful of coins, which now I have to juggle inside the car. You know, if I'm buying tacos or something. So that's it. Pocket check. Yep. That's my everyday carry. Carry a multi-tool because it had, quote, a knife in it, which ridiculous. So, alright, there you go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your views. Leave a comment below what you think, or maybe what you do different, or do a video and I'll check it out. And my next video will be what's inside my work bag. So stay tuned.